Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your email address of your GoCardless account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to GoCardless.com. Then log into your account and you can see this type of interface over here. Go ahead and click on Settings on the top right hand side of your screen and click on User Settings. After that, what you need to do is scroll a bit down and find this email section over here and write down your new email address and click Save Changes. Now what you need to do is write down your current password over here. After you write it down, make sure it is correct by clicking on this icon and click Submit. And there you go. You have just changed your email address. Let me show it to you once again. Open GoCardless.com on any of your browser, then sign into your account. What you need to do next is click on Settings, go to User Settings, scroll a bit down and find your email address. Then you can write down your new email address which you want to change and click Save Changes. Next step is to write down your current password. Make sure your password is correct by clicking on this icon. After you check it, click Submit, wait for a while, and there you go. You have just changed your email address on your GoCardless account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.